How to register on Martcost.com. Search Martcost keywords on Google search engine. Click here and open Martcost.com official website. Click here on the sign up button for the registration process. Now fill your registration form here. First enter unique username and enter first name, last name. Select your gender and enter your department and mobile number. Choose your country and enter your spoken languages. Now enter your correct email ID and choose your strong password. After then read privacy policy and check I'm not robot. Finally click on register button. Finally, your registration process was successfully completed. You can check the registration date and last login details. After then you can also log out. Join now. Digital education Martcost.com. Go to store www.martcost.com and contact now services@martcost.com.